Hi everyone. How are you? Welcome to the High Fitness by Weakness channel. Today I'm gonna show you 30 healthy low-carb foods that taste incredible. So stay tuned guys, because in a moment, you will receive a quick dose of incredibly useful knowledge. Eating fewer carbs can have impressive health benefits. It has been shown to significantly reduce hunger levels, which tends to lead to automatic weight loss, without the need for calorie counting. At least 23 studies have found that low-carb diets can cause up to 2 to 3 times more weight loss than low-fat diets. Decreasing your carb intake can also have numerous other health benefits, such as reducing your blood sugar, blood pressure and triglycerides, or improving your good HDL cholesterol. Plus, eating low-carb doesn't have to be complicated. Simply base your diet around real foods that are low in carbs to lose weight and improve your health. Here are 30 low-carb foods, most of which are healthy, nutritious and incredibly delicious. 1. Eggs. Eggs are among the healthiest and most nutritious foods on the planet. They're loaded with various nutrients, including some that are important for your brain and compounds that can improve eye health. 2. Beef. Beef is highly satiating and loaded with important nutrients like iron and vitamin B12. There are dozens of different types of beef, from ribeye steak to ground beef to hamburger. 3. Lamb. Like beef, lamb contains many beneficial nutrients, including iron and vitamin B12. Lamb is often grass-fed, and tends to be high in the beneficial fatty acid conjugated linoleic acid. 4. Chicken. Chicken is among the world's most popular meats. It's high in many beneficial nutrients and an excellent source of protein. 5. Jerky. Jerky is meat that has been cut into strips and dried. As long as it doesn't contain added sugar or artificial ingredients, jerky can be a perfect low-carb snack food. 6. Salmon. Salmon is one of the most popular types of fish among health-conscious individuals, for good reason. It's a fatty fish, which means it contains significant amounts of heart-healthy fats, in this case omega-3 fatty acids. 7. Trout. Like salmon, trout is a type of fatty fish that is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and other important nutrients. 8. Sardines. Sardines are oily fish that are generally eaten almost whole, including their bones. Sardines are among the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet and contain almost every single nutrient that your body needs. 9. Shellfish. It's a shame that shellfish rarely makes it onto people's daily menus, as they're one of the world's most nutritious foods. 10. Broccoli. Broccoli is a tasty cruciferous vegetable that can be eaten both raw and cooked. It's high in vitamin C, vitamin K and fiber, and contains potent cancer-fighting plant compounds. 11. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are technically fruits or berries but usually eaten as vegetables. They're high in vitamin C and potassium. 12. Onions. Onions are among the tastiest plants on earth and add powerful flavor to your recipes. They're high in fiber, antioxidants and various anti-inflammatory compounds. 13. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are highly nutritious vegetables, related to broccoli and kale. They're very high in vitamin C and K and contain numerous beneficial plant compounds. 14. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a tasty and versatile vegetable that can be used to make various interesting dishes in your kitchen. It's high in vitamin C, vitamin K and folate. 15. Kale. Kale is a very popular vegetable among health-conscious individuals, offering numerous health benefits. It's loaded with fiber, vitamin C and K, as well as carotene antioxidants. 16. Eggplant. Eggplant is another fruit that is commonly consumed as a vegetable. It has many interesting uses and is very high in fiber. 17. Cucumber. Cucumber is a popular vegetable with a mild flavor. It consists mostly of water, with a small amount of vitamin K. 18. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are popular vegetables with distinct and satisfying flavor. They're very high in fiber, vitamin C and carotene antioxidants. 19. Asparagus. Asparagus is a highly delicious spring vegetable. It's very high in fiber, vitamin C, folate, vitamin K and carotene antioxidants. What's more, it's very high in protein, compared to most vegetables. 20. Green beans. Green beans are technically legumes, but they're usually consumed in a similar manner as vegetables. 21. Mushrooms. Though they're technically not plants, edible mushrooms are often categorized as vegetables. They contain decent amounts of potassium and are high in some B vitamins. 22. Avocado. The avocado is a unique type of fruit. Instead of being high in carbs, it's loaded with healthy fats. Avocados are also extremely high in fiber and potassium and contain decent amounts of other nutrients. 23. Olives. The olive is another delicious high-fat fruit. It's very high in iron and copper and contains a decent amount of vitamin E. 24. Strawberries. Strawberries are among the lowest carb and most nutrient-dense fruits you can eat. They're very high in vitamin C, manganese and various antioxidants. 25. Grapefruit. Grapefruits are citrus fruits that are related to oranges. They're very high in vitamin C and carotene antioxidants. 26. Apricots. The apricot is an incredibly delicious fruit. Each apricot contains few carbohydrates but plenty of vitamin C and potassium. 27. Almonds. Almonds are incredibly tasty and crunchy. They're loaded with fiber and vitamin E and are one of the world's best sources of magnesium, a mineral that most people don't get enough of. 28. Walnuts. The walnut is another delicious type of nut. It contains various nutrients and is particularly high in alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. 29. Cheese. Cheese is one of the tastiest low-carb foods and can be eaten both raw and as an ingredient in various delicious recipes. It pairs particularly well with meat, such as on top of a bunless burger. Cheese is also highly nutritious. A single thick slice contains a similar amount of nutrients as an entire glass of milk. 30. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt, also called strained yogurt, is very thick compared to regular yogurt. It's very high in many beneficial nutrients, especially protein. Eating fewer carbs can have impressive health benefits and doesn't have to be complicated. Most low-carb foods are healthy, nutritious and incredibly delicious. What's more, they're highly diverse, covering many major food categories, including meats, fish, vegetables, fruits, dairy products and many more. A healthy, low-carb diet based on real foods can help you lose weight and improve your health. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you are looking for something that can really help you lose weight, please check the link in description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to receive new powerful videos. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Have a great day and see you in the next video.